Welcome trispective Ooma office video series. We're going to talk a little bit about some best practices of using the Ooma Office app, which you can get for Android as well as your Apple device as well. You can get that free in the App Store, and it's associated with every paid extension on the Ooma Office platform. One of the things I tell people after they got the app loaded is in the bottom right there's more, and there's three dots here. You want to click on that, and there's this thing called calling mode, which is kind of important. And in calling mode you can see voice over IP and cellular. And people always ask, well, what is the difference between there, right? So I always tell people, if you're sitting at home on your Wi-Fi network or you're at work all day long, I would probably put it in voice over IP mode. What that means is that calls are going to come over the data network using your Wi-Fi on your cell phone, and they'll ring through the app, or you can call out from the app using Wi-Fi calling. So that's what voice over IP mode does. Cellular, definitely want to use that if you're going in and out of the building, or if you're traveling a lot where you're not consistently on Wi-Fi. I would put it in cellular mode. And basically what happens is incoming calls are going to come and they're actually going to ring your cell phone number versus going over the data network, which would happen in the voice over IP mode. When you're making outbound calls, if you're in voice over IP mode, you're just going to go in the app and you're going to go and you're just going to dial a number, and it will send the caller ID of your extension or your business main number. The beauty of that is you're not sending the caller ID of your cell phone number. You're sending this the caller ID of your extension or your company's main number, so your customers don't really get your cell phone number, which is a really great use of the mobile app and why a lot of people are using that. And obviously if you're in cellular mode, it'll do the same. So in that case, you're actually going to make a phone call out using the app, using the cellular number. And again, even in that mode, you're going to send the caller ID of your extension or the main number of your company. So just some quick tips on that calling mode. And that's really important to understand, because that's going to, depending on the mode, basically travel a lot in and out of buildings, put it in cellular mode. If I'm sitting at work all day long, probably want to put it in voice over IP mode, where that call is going to go over the Wi-Fi network, or no different if you're at home, put it into VoIP mode. That's going to really allow you the best call quality when you're using the Ooma Office app. If you have any questions, give us a call, 888-825-2001.